Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. How to hide your phone number on Telegram. As you can see right here, you will find Google, and if you search for the topic, it says open Telegram and tap settings located in the lower left hand corner, and then tap privacy and safety, and then tap privacy and security, and then tap my phone number, and tap either my contacts. Your contacts will see your phone number or nobody, and nobody gonna see your phone number. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go back to my screen, and I'm gonna just go ahead right here to my Telegram. And as you can see, this is the interface of the app. Now if I wanted to hide my phone number, tap on the settings at the lower left corner, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead to the privacy and security, right? If I'm there, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead to the privacy, and you're gonna be able to see phone number, and you're gonna be able to click on it. Basically set the settings to nobody or everybody. If you want to hide the phone number from everyone who can find me by my number, just everybody or my contacts. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.